Flyover News. Yes, we are Flyover News. We're here at the ranch. We'll be at the ranch all week. We've got a lot of things to do right now, as always. And we're going to start the day off by working on the road out front. We have the house is 180 yards from the main road, and right where you pull in off the main road, the lane is all tore up real bad. It's a gravel all the way from the road to the house, and most of it is good, packed, hard. The water runs off of it and everything, but the part right out by the front is tore up pretty bad, 70-80 feet of it or so. And we have a bunch of gravel on the very back of our property. There's an old oil and gas lease. It's been there for 10 or 15 years, probably 15 years, the gravel has, and a big pile of it. And the pumper told us that we could have the gravel, so we're going to load it with our Kubota tractor into a Polaris Ranger and drive it around. Now normally we would just cut through the woods back there behind me, all through the woods, and for about, we have the northeast quarter of a section, we would cut through the woods and just go to the lease, but there's a creek back there we can't cross because the water's up. It's rained a ton down here. So we're going to drive all the way around the corner, and it'll take us a little bit longer, but it should be a good project for the day. We'll haul all the stuff around and spread it and see what we can come up with. And I'll flip the camera around and get it started when we get ready to start and show you kind of what we're looking at. Okay, so that's the house up there, and the road, you know, it's got grass in the middle of it, but it's packed really hard. Gravel's good, water runs off of it until we get out here. So this is where we started dumping it. We're dumping it with the Ranger. When we get out here, it's tore up real bad. It had asphalt on it at one time, and the gravel is eat through, and it's just real rough coming in the very front here. Sally Sue's helping, and we'll just drive around all the way around the road and all the way back and dump it. Okay, so we're driving out into the road. The house is all back up that way, and we will drive down the road. We have to go a half a mile. We have to go a half a mile this way, and then a half a mile to the right, which is south, to get to the road into the lease road that's on the back of our property. So it's a beautiful day. Not a lot of stuff better you can do. It's not hard work. Just making trips back and forth. The tractor's parked back there, and we will load this up, drive back around and dump it. Okay, so we're at the corner, and this is the northeast corner of our property. We've got a creek. The water runs that direction. It comes across that little waterfall there. It comes off of the mountains, the Oklahoma mountains, and then runs across here. Our property goes right on around, and then we go another half mile to get to the lease road. Okay, we're getting to the part where the blacktop goes off that direction. We're going to go through the lease road. We've got a key here to the oil company's gate. Let ourselves in. This goes down pretty hard here. Yeah, you don't want to go fast in here. Yeah, going fast through here would be a exciting ride. Okay, this is coming up to our property line here. This is our gate, fire lock on it. It's posted, no trespassing. We drive through here, and this will take us up to the lease. All this is our woods, some of our woods. We got about 100 acres of woods. So this takes us up to the oil and gas lease, an old oil and gas lease that has done its thing, and now just loads up a real small amount. We'll park around here where we load with the tractor. There's the gravel pile we're going to load. We're in the process of moving. There's a lot more gravel there than you think. We'll let Sally Sue do some filming. back, get ready to dump it. Got a pretty good load on the Ranger. It's a crusher gravel is what it is. It's been there a long time. It dries out. It'll pack. It'll be excellent. Pretty good load. Set it down pretty good. This Ranger's a workhorse though, and we've only got to go about 2 miles, 2.25 miles, 2.5 miles with it. No, a mile and a half, mile and a quarter, and it gets a little light in the front end. You would want to go a long ways, but it does pretty good with it. So we dump it, and we'll go back and haul some more in a little bit.
About you is you knew it all the time. Now there's a voice inside my head that keeps me wondering, can it be true or is it only in my mind? Moving a little closer, listen to the message just a little louder. Tell me again, my Lord, 'cause I know that you are with me as I wander through this life, keeping always you inside. Tell me again, my Lord, like you've done in times before, and I know that you'll be there every moment, everywhere. Tell me again. The thing about you is you know just all about me. You made a great love and everything inside. The thing about me is I really wanna let you open that door and walk into my life. Moving a little closer, listen to the message just a little louder. Tell me again, my Lord, 'cause I know that you are with me as I wander through this life, keeping always you inside. Tell me again, my Lord, like you've done in times before, and I know that you'll be there every moment, everywhere. Tell me again. Tell me again, my Lord, 'cause I know that you are with me as I wander through this life, keeping always you inside. Tell me again, my Lord, like you've done in times before, and I know that you'll be there every moment, everywhere. Tell me again.
So if it hadn't rained so much, we would go right through there. There's a trail through the woods that takes us back that direction to the house. But there's a creek up there, and the creek is not, you can't ford the creek right now. It's rained so much, it would flood everything out, flood the tractor out, flood the Ranger out. So we have to go the long way around down the road. Okay, we're back. So yeah, we're all finished. About a nice 3.5, almost 4-hour project. By the time you start, you drag everything out, drive all the way around, start loading, drive it all back. It came out really good. We're really pleased. Yeah, I box bladed it and got it all done out really nice, and then back pulled it with the bucket, and then raked it out a little bit with just a hand rake, just in places where it needed it. Came out really good. We're really gonna be pleased. We probably put 8, was it 8 or 9, Sally Sue? 8 Ranger fulls and 1 bucket from the tractor when we brought it back. So, we're probably better part of 6 ton or so, I imagine. I'll flip the camera around and show you what it looks like. So we parked the Ranger there. So we've filled it all in. This will set up. This will set up like hard, almost like concrete. It's really good stuff. Little bitty crusher, and it's all nice and smooth now. We're just real pleased with the way it came out. it'll make this turn in a lot better. Won't be bouncing you around near as much. And you know, that's, I don't know, 60 feet across there maybe, maybe a little more. But we're real pleased that we've got it on really thick in places where it needed it, and thin in places where it needed it. So just about what we hoped for. Okay, so that was our main project for the day. You know, we try to do one main thing each day. We've got so much stuff to do here. We wish we could spend all of our time here, but as it is, we split time between here and a place in the city. But yeah, it came out good. We're real pleased. Tomorrow we'll do some brush hogging in the woods. We drove through a bunch of the trails with the Ranger, and it needs to be brush hogged. But this is the end of June. If we can get it all knocked down now, we're about out of the rainy time, and July and August should not grow a whole bunch during that time. So yeah, we are Flyover News. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna try to make some more like it, and we'll do all sorts of stuff here on a ranch in southeastern Oklahoma. Once again, Flyover News, Flyover News. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe to our channel if you like it, and turn on the notifications, and you'll get a notification when we make these videos. And so thanks for watching. We appreciate it, guys, and bye-bye.